Good morning, students. So, in last period, we studied about the human digestive system, okay, and also process of digestion. So, today we start the excretory system of humans, okay, excretory system of humans. In digestion process, we see that the important nutrients in the food that are useful for our body, okay. So in digestion these important nutrients are absorbed in a blood and is useful for our body, but the waste product means the food or that waste product is not used for our body, so it should be removed from our body because it's toxic to us, okay. So the process of removal of waste product from the body is called excretion. The process of removal of waste product means this waste product is removed from our body by the different parts, okay, by the different parts. So this process is called excretion. The waste product and extra water from our body are removed through our excretory system. Extra water, we drinking the water, and this water is also important for our digestion of food, but some extra water is also present in our bodies. That extra water is removed through our excretory system, okay. So some parts of our body such as lungs, kidney, sweat glands in the skin are involved in this process. So this waste product is removed through the lungs, kidneys, sweat glands, okay. Sweat glands means पसीना, जो हमें पसीना आता है, okay, उसको स्वेट बोलते हैं. So this sweat glands is useful for that to remove the extra water. So sweat gland in the skin release the excess waste water and salt in the form of sweat, okay. Lungs, you know what the function of lungs. Lungs are important for the taking the oxygen and release the carbon dioxide. So the lung release the carbon dioxide from the body through nose. It's also waste product. It's not useful for the body. Which carbon dioxide? For our body oxygen is important, okay. So lungs take the oxygens and release the carbon dioxides. See, so urinary system is the main excretory system of our body. Urinary system, this is our total excretory system of humans, and urinary system is the main excretory system of our body, and this system consists of kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra, okay. It's a urinary system of our body. So in this urinary system, this part, red color part, is the kidney. In our body two kidneys are present. This is the ureter. They are muscular tubes, okay. I will explain it one by one. So now see here, it's a kidney, this is the ureter, okay. This yellow part is the urinary bladder, and this last part is the urethra, okay. See, we discuss it one by one. Kidney, this, so kidney are a pair of bean shaped organs, okay. जैसे सीड्स रहते ना, बीन सीड्स, like that the shape of the kidney, and they are the main organ of excretory system. Okay, these are main organ of excretory system. They filter the blood and pass the waste product through ureter in the form of urine. They filter the blood, okay, and from blood the waste product is passed through that ureter in the form of urine. Okay, is the function of kidney. What? It filter the blood and pass waste product through the ureter. Then this ureter, second part. Ureter, they are the muscular tubes that connect kidney to the urinary bladder. It's a one type of tube-like structures. Muscular tube means it's made by the muscles, okay, that connect kidney and urinary bladder. And what the function of this ureter? They carry the urine from kidney to urinary bladder. What function? They carry urine from kidney to urinary bladder. Okay, and in adult humans, ureter are 25 to 30 centimeter long. In adult, these ureters, the size of the ureter is near about 25 to 30 centimeter. Is it clear? See, then urinary bladder. See, this is yellow part. It is a hollow muscular organ that collects urine from kidney before passing it out of the body. Okay, it's a one type of sac-like structure. And what happen actually, when urine is passed from that kidney through the ureter, then in that urinary bladder first it collect. Okay, so all urine are collected in that urinary bladder, and it is a elastic organ, and the normal capacity of urinary bladder is 400 to 600 milliliter. Okay, so during urination the muscle of urinary bladder contracts and to allow the urine flow out of it. See, when you feel that yes, I want to go to toilet for urinate, but what happened, they during this urination the muscle of urinary bladder is contract and to allow the urine flow out. Okay, so urine exit the urinary bladder into the urethra. This is the urethra. This the urine from this urinary bladder is exit to the urethra. Okay, through the urethra, and which carry urine out of the body. And from that urethra, the carry the urine out of from our body. Okay, is it clear? Urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is the one type of muscular organ, hollow muscular organ, and it collect the urine. Okay, and urethra, it is a duct which convey urine out of the body from the urinary bladder. Okay, it is a one type of duct which convey urine out of the body. Urethra is a smaller in female as compared to male. In female and male, the size of urethra is different. In female, the size of urethra is smaller, and in male, the urethra is longer. So it's a total urinary system, or you called excretory system of humans. In excretory systems, kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra is present. This red color bean shape is the kidney. Okay, and it's the important part of our body. Then this is the tube-like structure, is the ureter. Ureter, what the function? It carry the urine from kidney to urinary bladder. And urinary, what the function of urinary bladder? Urinary bladder collect the urine that coming from the kidney. Okay, and urethra, after that this urethra exit the urine. Okay, so this is the total urinary system of our body. Okay, so next point we will discuss in the next period. Okay.